Hi, Joseph. What are you doing?
I'm baking
What are you going to make?
Valentine's cake for Daddy. Let's get started.
All right. First, what do we need to do, Joseph?
We need to put our aprons on.
Okay.
Wow.
Here we go.
You need apron too.
Yeah, Mommy will put on an apron too. Okay, hands up. Okay. Here we go.
And we have to put it in the oven.
Get the oven hot.
Get the oven hot.
Okay, come on down. Come on down. Let's get the oven hot. Jump down.
Okay. Let's get the oven.
All right, ready? Let's turn it on.
Can I turn it on?
Yeah, push that button. Push it. Push. And then this one to turn on the light. See? And then you push this one. There we go. Okay, get back up. All right. Just a moment. Oh, we have to turn this on. Okay. All right, Joseph. You're going to make a Valentine's Day cake for Daddy?
Yes.
All right.
Now we can do it.
Yeah.
Now we need a sugar.
What is this?
We need some flour
Okay.
and some sugar
Uh-huh.
and some baking powder
Uh-huh.
and some salt
Okay.
and milk,
Milk and,
eggs,
okay.
and frosting.
What is this,
We need vanilla,
Uh-huh.
melted egg,
Melted
melted butter.
Okay, let's get started, Joseph.
Yes, we need a pot.
Okay. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Okay. What are you adding?
Sugar,
Sugar. Good job. Okay, now what?
salt,
Okay, oh, just a minute. How much salt do we need? Let's see, we need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This is a 1/4 teaspoon, there you go. Good job. Okay, and then what do we need?
baking
How much baking powder do we need?
powder.
We need 2 teaspoons, and this is a teaspoon. Okay, here you go. Uh-oh. Okay, hold the pan up. Okay, when we get teaspoon, you get it full. Try to get it full. Mm-hmm. Oh, let Mommy help you a little bit. Come on, get your hands up. Okay, there you go. Remember? Then you slide it so that it's flat. So there you go. That's, how many is that? 1. And then, okay, there you go. Slide it up. There you go. Good job. Okay, very good. All right, now you.
Mix.
Be very gentle. Here, hold that handle. Good job. Good job. Oh, careful, buddy.
It's gonna be so good.
Oh, it's gonna be so good. Don't push down in here. It's gonna fall. Okay.
Now done?
No, not yet. Can you mix it a little bit more, buddy? Good job.
Now
Don't do it
that's
too
more
fast, though. Okay.
Now we're done.
No, let's keep mixing a little bit more. Okay. There you go. Mix a little bit more. Okay.
Now we need to blow it up.
Oh, blow it up. Okay, go get your gun.
Okay.
You gotta blow it up, huh?
Huh?
All right. Oh, all right. I think it's good to go, okay? Good job. Okay. Now what do we need to add?
This.
What is that?
Milk and egg.
All right.
Now we need to pour it in.
Yes, all of it. Good job. Ooh. Let's see. Mommy will get you something to do. Just a moment, okay? There you go, sweetie. Okay. And then what else? melted butter. Okay. Whoa, good job. All of that in there. Good job.
No vanilla.
Yeah, just a moment though. How much vanilla do we need? Let's see. We need 1 teaspoon. Here you go. Okay. Good job. This one, okay. Now,
Mix.
oh, just a moment. Now we need to use the electric mixer. Mommy will help you with that, okay?
But it's so loud.
It is a little bit loud, okay? All right, here we go. Stand up, stand up, okay. All right, you can go ahead, turn it on. Good job. There you go. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
All right. That's gonna be some yummy cake.
Now turn it off.
Oh,
Now
all right, turn it off. That way, stay that way. One more. There you go. All right. I gotta get that on. Hey, good job, Joseph.
No worry.
All right. Now we need to put it into the cake pans. Okay, Mommy.
Cake pan?
The cake pan's right here. Okay. You're gonna make a two-layer cake. Okay.
Bam. Hey,
Hmm.
watch this. Bam, 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 bam.
Bam. What? Show
Mommy.
Daddy. Show Daddy. What?
Bam, 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 bam. Mommy,
Yeah.
how about I am Bill and you're Larry?
Oh. Bam, bam, bam. Okay. Now, can you help get that out?
Yes, I can, Larry.
Okay. Here, use your hand and you swipe it out. We have to only put half in this one, okay? Half in this one. Sounds like the oven's ready.
Mommy, I want to get it and eat it.
Oh.
Can I eat some?
You can try it in just a little bit, okay? And you can tell Daddy what it tastes like. Well, not yet. We gotta get these flat first, okay? All right.
Now I want to taste
You can taste it and you can tell the camera what it tastes like, okay? All right, Mommy's gonna make these flat, and you can taste it and you tell Daddy what it tastes like, okay? How do you like it? You like that? The cake will taste even better. Does it taste good, Joseph? Mommy didn't like it when I was a little girl, but a lot of people like it. All right. Do you want to help Mommy put in the oven? Okay. All right, come on. You still eating? We can come back and eat, okay? Come and help Mommy put in the oven, okay? All right. Okay.
It's so hot. I don't want to do it.
All right. You watch Mama, okay? There we go. All right. Put the cake in there. Okay. And how long do we need to put the cake in, Joseph? Go on, and you can get up and eat the rest of your batter if you want. All right, we're gonna bake for 25 minutes. Joseph, you wanna help mommy? Ready? 1. You wanna push? There we go. All right, that's 25 minutes.